This is exercise 2.5, the last exercise. The chapter is linear equations in one variable. So first question, we have total 12 bits. So you practice it, because even if it is same model, if you do, you will get a lot of practice. Do it. Very simple. You know how to solve the equations. As this chapter itself, from the first exercise onwards, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, we completed 4 exercises. All the equations are solving, all the problems are based on solving the equation. That too only first degree, x power 1 only. There is no x square problem. So how to solve the equations from first exercise onwards, we are doing it. And of course, some problems direct equation is not given. We have to form the equation, we have to solve it. That is anyway difficult. But direct equation is given, very simple. Do it. When to subtract the fractions, we have to take the LCM. LCM. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. Do you know the LCM? 3, 4 LCM is 12. 3, 4 times 4 into x, 4x. 3, 4 times the 3, 4 times 12. 3, 4 times 4 into x, 4x. 4 how many times? 4 3s are. 4 3 times 3 into x, 3x. Four x minus 3x is x. X by 12 is equal to 14. So we want x value. 12 is in denominator. Denominator means it will become multiplication. Division will become multiplication. 14 into 12. Write down the answer. Do it. Same way do the second problem. What is the answer? Do it. Do the next bit. Do you know the LCM? 2, 3, 6. LCM with 2. 2 ones are 3, we can't do 3 as it is. 2 3s are 6. 2 ones are same, 3 not possible, same as it is. 2 3s are 6. Again with 3, because 3 3 no. So 1 not possible. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 1 into 1 into 3 into 2. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 3. 3 2s are 6 LCM. That is the process of taking the LCM. Do it. Students, branch names. 6 how many? See here. 2 3 times. 2 how many times? 3. 2 3 the 6 no? 2 3 times 3 into z, 3z. 3 2 times 2z. 6 1 time 1z. Like this. 2 3 times 3z. 3 2 times 2z. 6 1 time 1z. See here. 3 plus 2, 3z, 2z, 3 plus 2, 5, 5z minus 1z is 4z. Now, 6 will be in multiplication, 4 will be in division. See, when if it is in division, it will become multiplication. Division will become multiplication. Here also division will become multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. Multiply becomes division. This is 4z means 4 into z. So 4 will be the denominator. So simplify. 4 2s are 4 2 times 2 6 are 12. You have to know the LCM, how to take the LCM. Badangpet branch, VV Nagar branch, do it. Do the third one, fourth one, same model. Oh, this is fourth. Two p by 3 minus p by 5, 11 2 by 3. See here. Left side to subtract two fractions or to add two fractions, we have to take the LCM. LCM 3, 5, 3 with 3 ones are 5 same. So with 5, 1 same, 5 ones. So 1 into 1 into 5 into 3, 3 5s are 15. 15 is the LCM. You know how to take the LCM. You just practice this, how to take the LCM. That already you studied in the lower classes. LCM. 3 how many times? 5 times. 3 5s are 3 5 times 5 2s are 10p. Three 5 times 5 2s are 10. 5 3 times. 5 how many times? 3 times. 3 into p 3p. Mixed fraction change it into improper fraction. 3 into 11 33 plus 2 35 by 3. 3 11s are 33 plus 2 35 by 3. Now this to be taken that side. So a lot of things, many ways we can do. But whenever two fractions are there, left side fraction, right side fraction, then we do cross multiplication. Will be very convenient. Cross multiplication. See here. What is cross multiplication? See here. This denominator into this numerator. This denominator into this numerator. See here. This denominator into this numerator. This denominator into this numerator. So this is one more step I will write. After that I will do the cross multiplication, because I will subtract 10p minus 3p is 7p by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Now I will cross multiply. See here, 10p minus 3p is 7p. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. See here, this into this is equal to this. Anything you can write beginning. This into this you can write this side, this into this that side. Any order you can write. See here, this is multiplied with this, this is multiplied with this into this. 7p into 3 is equal to 7p into 3 is equal to 15 into 35. 7p into 3 is equal to 15 into 35. So this into this denominator, this into this numerator. That is called cross multiplication. So p is equal to 15 into 35. This we will get in the denominator. Here it is into means 7 into p. So 7 taken to the right side in the denominator. This 3 also will into only. This 3 will be also in the denominator, because these 3 are in multiplication. This will go to the denominator. 7 will go to the denominator. 3 will go to the denominator. You simplify it and get the answer. See here, 3 5s are 3 5 times. See here. 15 into 35 by what is the answer, you tell me? 3 5 times. 7 5 is a 35. 5 5 is a 25 answer. Do the next problem. Students, do the next problem. See, all of you, 9 mixed fraction is given, so change it into improper fraction. 4 into 9, 36, 137 by 4. 9, 4 9 the 36 plus 137 by 4. 3 1 the 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Improper fraction, 4 into 9, 36 plus 1, 37 by 4. 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So 37 by 4, take LCM on the right side. 3 LCM. If there is no denominator, we take it as 1. 1, 3 times 3 into y, 3y. 1 3 times 3 into y, 3y. 3 1 times 4. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Any way you can do. This into this is equal to, you can write this into this side, this into this that side. Any order you can write. Generally, if y term is there, so we write it on the left side. General process. So 4 into 3y minus 4 is equal to 37 into 3. 4 into 3y minus 4 is equal to 37 into 3. 4 into 3, 12y. 4 into 4, 16. What is 37 into 3? 3 7 the 21. 2 3 3 7. Take minus 16 that side, plus 16. How much? 127. 12 is in multiplication. If you take that side, it will be the denominator. See the simplification. Once you check it, is it correct or not? Simplification is correct or not, you check. See here. 4 into 9, 36 plus 1, 37 by 4. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Take LCM 3, 3y minus 4. This is 37, 37 into 3, written right side. 4 into 3y minus 4. 4 3s are 12y, 4 4s are 16. Minus 16 that side, plus 16. 16 plus 1 1 11, 127. 12y, 12 into y. Into means it will become denominator. We have to keep only y on the left side, only that variable. So remaining all we have to take the right side, that is the answer. Do the next problem. Students, type your branch names. Type your branch names. x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Do it. Only simplification by taking the LCM. Students, do it. Boinpalli branch, Suraram branch, VV Nagar, Fateh Nagar. LCM. See here. 2, 5, 5, 10. 2, 5, 5, 10. That 1 by 5 I will write same. 2, 5, 5, 10 LCM. Remember how to take the LCM. 2, 2 ones are 5, no. 5, no. 2 5s are. 2 5s are 10. Next 5 more times, no. 5, 5 with 5. This one, no, same. 5 ones are. 5 ones are. 5 ones are. So what is the LCM? 2 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. 2 5s are 10 LCM. Write the numerator. Muttangi, Malkajgiri branch, Malkajgiri. See here. See 2 how many times? 2 5 times 5 into x 5x. 2 5 times 5 into x. 5 2 times 5 2s are. 2 5 2s are 10. 2 times 2 4s are 8. 5 2 times 2 into x 2x. 10 one time 1 into 3x 3x. See here. 2 5 times 5 into x 5x. 5 2 times 2 4s are 8. 5 2 times 2 into x 2x. 10 one time 3x. Do the simplification. 5x 2x 7x plus 3x 10x minus 8 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10x minus 8 is same, by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiplication. See here. Cross multiplication. 5 into 10x minus 8. 10 into 1. 5 into 10x minus 8. Denominator into numerator is equal to denominator into any order you can write. You can write 10 into 1 this side, this and that side. Any order you can write. Same answer you will get. Generally we write x term. We do operations such that x terms on left side. It is convenient. 5 tens are 50. 5 8s are 40. 10 ones are 10. Minus 40 right side. Minus 40 that side, plus 40. 40 plus 10, 50. X is equal to 40, 10 plus 40, 50 by 50. Here it is into. Into means it will become denominator. 50, 50 cancel. One answer. Do it. Safilgoda branch, Suraram, Fateh Nagar, Langar House, same method. 2 4 LCM. See here. 2 4 LCM. 2 1 time, 2 2 times. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 to the 4 LCM. See, you have to practice how to take the LCM. Without that, you can't do any Operations with the fractions. To add fractions, to subtract the fractions, compulsory you should know the concept of LCM. Do it and get the answer. Two times 2 2 is a 4. 2 times 2 into x 2x. 4 one time 1 into 1 1. 3 2 is a 6 LCM right side. 3 to 6 LCM. You can do the LCM and get the numerator. What is the answer? Anybody got the answer? Bellampalli branch. 3 2s are 6. 3 2 times 2 into x 2x. 2 3s are 3 into 1 3. Now left side fraction, right side fraction. Cross multiply. Cross multiplication. See here. This numerator into this denominator. Anyone you can write first. 2x minus 1 into 6 is equal to this denominator into that numerator. 2x minus 1 into 6 is equal to 4 into 2x plus 3. Get the answer. 6 into 2, 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 into 1, 6. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 12x minus plus 8x. These all x terms on one side, remaining on other side. 8x left side minus 8x. Minus 6 that side plus 6. 8x this side minus 8x. Minus 6 that side plus 6. 12 minus 8, 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 plus 6, 18. X is equal to 18. It is into, it will be denominator. To cancel with the 2 table and get the answer. Cancel with 2 table. 2 9s are 2 2s are. Write the next question and do it. Do this problem, first step only cross multiplication, direct cross multiplication. First step cross multiplication. Numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. Any order you can write. See here, 2x minus 3 into 3. 3x plus 2 into minus 2. See, minus 2. So this minus, we have to use it for only numerator or denominator. Generally we use it for numerator. Don't write minus 3 here. This 3 is 3 only. Minus is only for 2. Like that you have to consider. 2x minus 3 into 3. 2x minus 3 into 3. 3x plus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 2, 6x. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6x. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 in minus 6x. 2 3s are 6, but minus 6. Minus into plus. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 2 3s are 6x. Minus into plus. Minus 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 6x minus 6x this side plus 6x. Minus 6x this side plus 6x. Already minus 4 is there. Minus 9 that side plus 9. 6x minus 6 this side plus 6. Minus 9 that side plus 9. Minus 9 taken to the right side. 6x plus 6x is 12x. 9 minus 4 is 5. So answer is 5. This is into. It will be in the denominator. Answer. Same way do that. First step only cross multiply and get the answer. Cross multiplication. 4 into 8p minus 2. See here. 8p minus 2 into 4 or 4 into 8p minus 2. Anyway you can write a into b, b into a. Both are same commutative property. You write 4 here or here. Both are same. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 also 6. 4 into 8p minus 2. Here minus 2 into 7p plus 4 into 8p minus 2 minus 2 into 7p plus 1. Get the answer. 4 8s are 32p. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2 8 but minus. 2 7s are 14. 2 into 7 14. 2 into 1 2. All p terms one side, remaining constants other side, because we want p. So p, all p terms having p on left side, remaining on the right side. See here, 32p, p terms on left side, minus 14 this side, plus 14, because the terms having p should be on left side, remaining on the right side. Already minus 2 is here, minus 8 that side, plus 8. So total 46p. 14 plus 32 is 46. 8 minus 2 is 6. So p is equal to 6 by 46. This is the answer. You can cancel with 2 table. 2 3s 2 table. 2 3s are 2 23s are. 2 table you cancel. Cancel with 2 table. Seven y plus 2 by 5, 6y minus 5 by 11. Do the cross multiplication and do it. Anybody got answer? See here, directly left side is a simple fraction, right side is also a simple fraction. No need of taking LCM and all. So directly a fraction, do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 11 into this. 11 into 7y plus 2. 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. Do it. What is the answer? Answer, you got, somebody got 1. So let us see. 11 7 the 77. 11 7 the 77. 11 2 the 22. 11 7 the 77. 11 2 the 22. 5 6 the 30. 5 5 the 25. 11 into 7 77. 11 into 2 22. 5 into 6 30. 5 5 is 25. All y terms on one side. 77 minus 30 minus 25 plus 22 right side minus 22 plus 22 right side minus 22. 77 minus 30 is 47 minus 25 minus 22 minus 47. Minus 25 minus 20 minus 25 minus 22 is minus 47. It is not minus into minus. We are not multiplying, we are adding. Why here this multiplication? It will be the denominator. Minus 47 by 47. 47 47 cancel. Minus 1 answer. Do the next problem. First take LCM for these two. 6 9 LCM. 6 9 LCM. Six 9 LCM. Do you know what is LCM? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Take with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. That's all. No common. No divisor. So now LCM is 3 into 2 into 3. 3 into 2 into 3. 3 to the 6. 3 is a 27 LCM. 27 LCM. Do the numerator. Write the numerator. No, not 27. 3 to the 6. 6 is 18 LCM. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18 LCM. Alright, the numerator 6 how many times? 6 3 times. 6 3s are 6 3s are 18. 3 times 3 into x plus 5. 6 3 times 3 into x plus 5 minus 9 2 times 2 into x plus 5. 6 3 times 3 into x plus 5. 9 2 times 2 into x plus 5. 3x. 3 5s are 15. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 5, 15, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 1, 2. See here, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 5, 15, 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 1, 2, by 18. 3x minus 2x is x, 3x minus 2x is x, 15 minus 2 is 13. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, any order you can write. This into this first, see, any order. So 4 into, say, 4 into x plus 13. 4 into x plus 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 3. 4 into x plus 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 3. 4 into x plus 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 3. 4x, 4 13 is 52, 18 into x, 18x, 18 3 is right on. Bring x terms on the left side, constants, remaining constants on the right side. All x terms, take it to the left side. Four x plus 18 this side minus 18 plus 52 minus 52 plus 52 becomes minus 15 plus 18 this side minus 18 minus 14x 2. X is equal to 2 by 14, but minus is there. Minus anyway we can write 2 7 times. 2 sevens are minus 1 by 4 answer. So this is the procedure. So students, just practice it, and 12th bit let us do tomorrow, because today we solved many problems. You may be tired, so let us stop here. Taking the LCM, just you practice, and remaining is same. After making it as a simple fraction, then cross multiplying. 4 into x plus 13, 18 into x plus 3. 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 13, 52. 18 into x, 18x, 18 3 is a 54. Plus 18 this side, minus 18 plus 52 that side, minus 52. 4 minus 18 is minus 14. 54 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 14. So minus, if we remove the minus here, that side will get minus. We have to keep that minus on the right side. Minus. This is the 11th problem, and 12th we will do, and again there are some theory problems. Of course, we have only 13 problems in this exercise. From second onwards, again difficult problems, theory problems. Daily we will do only few problems so that you can understand. And students, tomorrow you have exam. The syllabus is already given to you. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. So this exercise which we started, we won't give questions from this. Today syllabus is not included. Whatever we studied up to yesterday, 2.1 exercise, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. 4 exercises for this tomorrow's exam. So compulsory you have to write the exam. Whether you do it or not, questions are difficult, whatever maybe, you try to write the exams. Because if you write the exams, then only you will take the thing seriously. So writing the exam is must, and not writing is crime for the students. You are doing crime, you are cheating yourself, you are cheating everybody. So don't cheat, just write the exam, that's all. And send the answer papers to your principal. Compulsory you write the exam